Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So our topic for today is about the where does the topic sentence go? So the topic sentence usually goes at the very start of paragraph, but sometimes it can come later to indicate a change of direction in the paragraph arguments. So kailan ba sa topic natin kung saan tayo magsisimula or paano ba sumulat ng topic, sentence, or content. Kasi ang subject natin is about the enhancing writing skills. So, paano ba sumulat ng topic sentence? So, usually, the topic sentence goes at the very start of paragraphs. Yung title mo or yung topic mo is kailangan nasa unahan. Why? Because it introduces the main point or argument of the paragraph and provides a clear and concise summary of what the paragraph will be about. So, kailangan talaga yung topic sentence mo ay nasa unahan or nasa para maging clear at saka para ma-build na maayos tsaka strong yung topics mo para madali maintindihan ng mga estudyante mo kung ano ba talaga yung topic mo. So, topic sentence. So, this help the readers to understand it, the focus of the paragraph and how it relates to the overall thesis or arguments of the paper. So, kaya yun, natutulungan ng mga readers or mga estudyante kung naintindihin kung saan ba kung ano ba talaga yung topic mo or ano yung gusto mong is gusto mong topic or gusto mong ibigay na lesson sa kanila. So, however, in some cases, the topic sentence may come later in the paragraph to indicate a change of direction or to provide additional information that builds on the point made in the opening sentence. So, in more advanced or creative forms of academic writing, the placement of topic sentence may vary for stylistic or rhetorical purposes. So, minsan, nababasa mo yung saka mo maintindihan kung ano ba talaga yung pinaka main topic niya. Minsan yung mga writers is sa gitna nila nilalagay or minsan nasa ulian para kasi iba-iba ng style yung estudyante kung paano or yung mga writers kung paano sumulat ng kanilang mga topic sentence or kanilang research work or written works. So yan, iba-iba tayo ng styles kung paano kuhan kasi sa ibang writers is parang doon nila sinusulat sa gitna para mas maging ma-quote yung attention ng mga readers. But mas effective kung sa unahan sa simula pa lang is nandun na talaga ano yung topic sentence mo. So yun. So, the placement of the topic sentence should be, furthermore, the placement of the topic sentence should be determined by the purpose and structure of the paragraph and the overall goals of the paper, but placing it at the start of the paragraph is reliable method to keep the paper clear and focused. So, kailangan talaga yung topic sentence mo or mas favorable na yung topic sentence mo is nasa unahan or nasa from the start para madali maintindihan ng mga estudyante or para ma-aware yung estudyante or yung readers kung ano ba talaga yung topic na gusto mong i-discuss. So, next one is transition sentences. Tips and example for clear writing. So, clear transition are crucial to clear writing, so they show the reader how different parts of your essay, paper, or a thesis are connected. So transition sentence can be used to structure your text and link together paragraphs or section. So ang transition is ito yung way mo or ito yung pabago-bago mo ng way ng pagsulat ng mga sentence mo kasi boring naman kung redundant redundant yung doon sa topic mo or yung content ng written works mo. So kailangan sa paggawa ng written forms or written works or essay or any kinds of academic writings is kailangan gamitin mo yung transition mo, which is gumagamit ka ng iba't ibang styles, technique, ways para mapaganda yung kalabasan ng maganda yung kalabasan ng written works mo. So they show the readers how different parts of your essay, paper, or thesis are connected. So transition sentence can be used to structure your text and link together paragraph or section. So when you start a new paragraphs, the first sentence should clearly express the relationship between the previous paragraphs and the new one. So first na parang sa paggawa ng reflection letter, which is nandun yung introduction, body, conclusion. So hindi lahat ng sinulat mo is introduction lang, or hindi lahat ng laman ng content mo is body lang or conclusion. So kailangan meron iba't ibang parts, iba't ibang kinds dun sa written works mo. So this helps the reader understand how the ideas are connected and how they contribute the overall arguments or discussion. So an example of transition sentence for a new paragraph could be conclude this. In this case, the researchers concluded that method was unreliable. So next na gagamitin mo na transition is yung however or furthermore. So yun yung mga transition. Furthermore, moreover, so yun. So, for example, however, evidence from a more recent study points to a different conclusion. So using transition sentence effectively allows for a smooth flow of ideas and helps to guide and readers through the logical progression of your writing. So yun. Boring naman kung susulat ka pag nag-a-add ka ng additional ka doon sa content mo is and ginamit mo and also hanggang sa natapos yung written works mo is yung ginamit mo and also. So pangit naman kung redundant, paulit-ulit yung ginagamit mo na ways and techniques. So, proceed tayo sa transitioning between paragraphs. So, when you start a new paragraph, the first sentence should clearly express. So, should clearly express what this paragraph will discuss, how it relates to the previous paragraph. So dito naman sa transitioning between paragraphs is involved dito yung using transition sentence or phrase to create a smooth flow between ideas in the show and to show the reader how different parts of your essay or paper are connected. So the purpose of this transition is to help the reader follow the logical progression of your argument and understand how each paragraph contribute to the overall thesis or argument. So, there are different types of transition that can be used to indicate the relationship between paragraphs. So, yung addition. So, these transition are used to add information or ideas that build upon the previous paragraph. So, example include furthermore, moreover, and in additions. So next one is the contrast. So these transitions are used to show a difference or contrast between the ideas in the previous paragraph and the upcoming ones. Example include, however, on the other hand, and in contrast. So dito sa transition sentence, ang example dito is itong sentence na the furthermore evidence in support of this hypothesis is provided by Smith. So ang transition sentence is yung further. So dito na sa paragraph, this paragraph yung complements the previous one, providing more support for the same ideas, yung complements. So yun yung paragraph. So the second one is however Patel's arguments are not the final words. However, so sa paragraph is contradicts the previous one by presenting new evidence. So yun, nagkaiba talaga yung paragraph and yung transition sentence. So sa placement of transition sentence, the beginning of new paragraph is generally the right place for a transition sentence. So each paragraph should focus on one topic. So avoid spending time at the end of paragraph. So explaining the theme of the next one. So sa placement of transition sentence is kailangan the beginning of the new paragraph is generally in the right place. Kailangan nasa tamang place for a transition sentence. So bawat transition sentences is kailangan nakafocus lang siya sa isang topic. Kumbaga in addition, so isang topic lang doon yung gagawin mo, hindi ka may explain ng marami pa doon. Kailangan isang topic talaga or naka-focus sa one topic. So avoid spending time at the end of paragraph. I-avoid mo yung mga out of topic na doon sa transition na ini-add mo or ginawa mo. So yun, example dito is example ng incorrect paggamit ng transition sentence. So the consensus view is clear from these quotations. The following paragraph discuss some of scholars who dissent from this consensus. So yun, unlike dito sa correct, mahirap intindihin itong sa yung example dito. The consensus view is clear from this quotation. The consensus view is clear quotation. So ang correct is ang correct dito is the consensus view is clear from this quotation. So yun yung pagkaibaan na yun yung tamang paggamit ng mga transition sentences. So transitioning to a new section, while transitions between paragraphs are generally a single sentence. So when you start a new section in a longer text, you may need an entire transition paragraph. Transitioning to a new section involves summarizing the content of the previous section and expressing how the new one will build upon the parts of. So ang transitioning pag nagagawa ka ng new transitioning letter is kailangan yun involve summarizing. Kailangan is yung transitioning kasi sinasummarize mo yung content mo or nagdadagdag ka ng idea doon sa content mo na yun, or yun nagdadagdag ka or sinasummarize. Lastly is yung sinasummarize mo or overall mo yung topic mo or yung written works mo or yung topic sentence mo. So yun yung mga transitioning sentences. So that's all. Thank you for listening.